Gerbera is one of the most popular flower around the world, not only because it's produced commercially as cut flower, but also it enhances beauty of our garden as a decorative plant. It looks fabulous when multiple spikes come out with vibrant colors. But to achieve that, we must understand what Gerbera needs. This video will cover 5 most important factors to become successful in growing Gerbera daisies. If you are going to plant Gerbera in a container, selection of a good potting mix is very important. It should be lightweight and porous. Now there are 2 types of planting material you can choose from. Number 1 is traditional potting soil containing native garden soil, compost and sand. Number 2 is soilless media like cocopeat, perlite, vermiculite and leca balls. I have been growing Gerberas successfully using both soil mix and soilless media. In my experience, fungal attacks are more frequent in plants grown with soil, so I prefer cocopeat. It's lightweight, porous and provides excellent aeration for roots. Regular fertilization is key to success whether Gerberas are grown in soil media or in soilless media. We can divide fertilization in 2 parts. One is basal feeding that goes into potting media and another is foliar feeding in the form of sprays on the leaves. As basal feeding, I drench my plants with 1 gram balanced NPK and 1 gram potassium nitrate once every week. Apart from this, I also use Epsom salt and diluted mustard cake fertilizer once every 15 days. As foliar feeding, I use 1 gram micronutrients diluted to 1 liter of water once every month. This balanced application of fertilizers promotes tremendous vegetative growth and flowering in Gerbera. Overwatering is an important factor that has direct links with soil pH, nutrient deficiency and various diseases. So we can't really ignore the proper practice of watering. Gerbera needs moisture, but it can't stand sogginess. So my suggestion is check potting media first. If it feels dry, then soak it. Otherwise, overwatering may cause serious damage to the plants. Even excessive overhead showering can attract Alternaria leaf spot fungi. On the other hand, underwatering becomes stressful too. So we should try to maintain right moisture balance of potting media. Gerbera loves slightly acidic soil. The ideal pH is 5.5 to 6.5. I have mentioned earlier, overwatering directly affects soil pH, which in return causes iron deficiency. Let me show you how one of my soil-grown Gerbera is affected by the changed pH value. To rectify the pH, dilute 1 ml of white vinegar or apple cider vinegar into 1 liter of water and drench the potting media. However, monitoring pH value of liquid fertilizer before application saves plants from nutrient deficiency. Use a good pH meter or pH test strips for better pH analysis. The most alarming issue of Gerbera plants is pest and fungal diseases. Overwatering, lack of plant protection sprays, and even excessive overhead showering can cause fungal outbreak. Among fungal diseases, root rot, crown rot, botrytis are most common. Spray any contact or systemic fungicide alternatively once in a week to control these diseases. To control pests like whitefly, leaf miner, thrips and mites, spray diaphenthuron once in every 15 days. This will ensure uninterrupted growth and development of Gerbera daisies. If you follow these things properly, your Gerbera daisies will flourish like never before. Share feedbacks down in the comments and don't forget to put a thumbs up if you think this is worth watching. Thanks guys, stay fit and happy gardening.